Now we can go to our bedroom.
Yeah. So this is the bed.
And we have these.
We have this and the table.
And
we
we
have the switch.
And we have this switch. And
we have
on the way. And we have
a remote. It's so cool.
and we
And
have
we have a phone.
and we have a fridge.
Card.
And we got a fridge.
And we got a bell.
And we got a fridge. Got a bell.
We got a coat.
And we got a refrigerator. We had McDonald's. Yes, happy birthday, girls.
And we pretend we eating something.
Yeah, we
And
can.
making coffee.
Yeah, we can pretend. And the best part, we have the balcony view.
And we have, and this is our balcony.
Welcome to our balcony.